This year, we see the Mana digital currency turning into a top gainer a large number of weeks. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play-to-earn pattern, which became well known in 2021 on the digital money market. How is the venture growing now, and what could we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? We should sort it out. Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The undertaking was laid out by the Decentraland Foundation back in 2015. Thus, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH, which was about $26 million around then. Nonetheless, the augmented simulation stage was open to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game and cooperation. It resembles an internet game. Be that as it may, it centers around friendly and financial communications among clients and not on the actual interactivity. Clients convey, go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland is partitioned into 90,000 bundles called packages. The underlying size of one parcel was 10 times 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area directed a vote. Just later, the size of each parcel was expanded to 16 times 16 meters. Each parcel is an ERC 721 token land. We should discuss the tokens. There are two kinds of in-game digital money. Mana and land. Mana is an ERC 20 symbolic that assists with purchasing virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. Land is an ERC 721 token used to signify the option to possess a particular land parcel in the game. All in all, it's a proof of proprietorship. Other than parcels, there are roads and plazas in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it in light of the fact that no one but engineers can make objects on them. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The plazas are points of fascination for clients. Recreational areas and data zones. The nearer the land is to the roads and plazas, the more costly it is. The region around Central Plaza is the most costly, very much like the Central Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland has topical zones called locale. For instance, there are shops on Fashion Street and auditoriums in Decentraland University. Every region is claimed and overseen by a nearby local area. Tragically, the land in such regions is presently not accessible for procurement. How about we envision that you have land, fortunate. How might you discard your buy? Resell. As the game fills in prominence, the cost of land rises. Thus, you become a restrictive landowner who can profit from it. Lease out the land. You will actually want to get automated revenue from the procured land. Place an ad. You can construct any articles on their territory and even spot commercials. In this way, you can drape up a standard of your organization or open a display area. Open a NFT store. Exceptionally stylish, isn't that so? Decentraland is NFT agreeable with the ERC 721 norm. For instance, computerized craftsmen can open a display with NFT compositions. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Decentraland will be 97 cents. The most extreme level that the Mana cost can reach is $1.09. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.01. August 2022. Decentraland price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Mana cost will be exchanged at 88 cents by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Decentraland worth to 93 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 84 cents in August 2022. Mana price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Decentraland costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 90 cents. The most reduced and top mana rates may be 86 cents and 97 cents. October 2020. The normal pinnacle worth may be $1.01 in October 2022. Mana price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Decentraland costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the mana rate could arrive at a limit of $1.05 in November 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to 94 cents. For November 2022, the anticipated normal of Decentraland is almost 97 cents. December 2022, Decentraland price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Decentraland cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $1.01. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the mana cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 97 cents and $1.09. Decentraland price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Decentraland will be around $1.44. The most extreme expected mana cost might be around $1.68. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.48 in 2023. Decentraland price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland, in 2024, mana is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $2.01 and $2.44, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.07. Decentraland price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Decentraland and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base mana cost could drop to $2.99, while its most extreme can reach $3.55. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $3.09. Decentraland price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least mana costs are normal in 2026, $5.19 and $4.41. Overall, it will be exchanged at $4.54. Decentraland price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Decentraland. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical mana cost will be around $6.59. It could drop to at least $6.41